Okay, now we are going to prepare a household budget and I'm going to talk you through it. So here we have the Doherty family and their household budget is going to be from September to December, so 4 month period. Okay, first of all we're going to fill in all the income. So as we can see, John's income, we filled it in there for September, October, November, December. We've added up the total. We've added up Mary's income and then child benefit. So we add these all up for each month. So as you can see, total income for September, total income for October, total income for November, total income for December. And then we have our total income. That is everything that we received in that 4 month period. We then list all our expenditure, our planned expenditure. This is divided into our fixed, our regular, and our discretionary. So we enter our fixed for each month, and then we have our subtotal. So we've added up our mortgage, our insurance, house and health, and then we've added up to get our subtotal. We've done the same for our regular costs, so our household costs, transport costs, light and heat, and telephone costs, and then this is our subtotal. For September. Then we go on to our discretionary expenses. So this is our presents, our entertainment costs, holidays. So we add those all up, get our set total. So we have 3 subtotals. So to get total expenditure, we add our discretionary subtotal, our regular subtotal, and our fixed subtotal. We do that for each month, so that gives us our total expenditure form. So that for each month. Next step is we calculate our net cash. Our net cash is calculated by taking total expenditure from total income. So total expenditure and take it from total income. So we've done that for this month, and our net cash is equal to 639 for that month. And for October, it is minus 811. That's because that's called a deficit. That means total expenditure was more than total income. As we can see, total income was 3,750, whereas total expenditure was 4,561. So that is a deficit of 811. Then, as we can see, for November, total expenditure is less than total income, and we have a surplus for this month. So that's a surplus of 395, and then again we have a deficit for December. Okay, as you can see, that's probably due to presents or entertainment costs. To calculate our opening cash, our opening cash is always given to us at the beginning of the question. It's always given us, so we put it into the first month, and we also put it into the total column here. So put it here and here. Okay. To get our closing cash, we add our net cash and opening cash to get our closing cash. Our closing cash then becomes our opening cash for the following month. So as you can see here, 964, we add that on to minus 811, so we get 153. So, and then 153 then becomes our opening cash again for the following month, November. So we add net cash and opening cash again to get our closing cash, and so on.